Hello viewers, welcome back to KC Sharp where we turn drafting skills into income. And in today's section, we are going to talk about how to insert and modify your multi-leader in AutoCAD. Should in case you are coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. So without wasting much of our time, like I said earlier, in today's session, we are going to talk about how to insert and modify your multi-leader in AutoCAD. It is necessary for you to use your multi-leader in AutoCAD. Reason is because apart from dimensioning and text, we can also set the multi-leaders to explain why the each part of the drawing indicates. What I'm trying to say is with the help of multi-leader, it will be able to indicate a particular place, a particular section or drawing or a hidden line that you have already done in your job. So let's move down to what we have today. So this is an already 2D drawing that I have already done, which is going to help us to indicate our some of the parts of the job or drawings that we have done. So the first thing that you need to do is to come down to the home ribbon app, which is here. This is the home ribbon application area, which we have already talked about in our previous videos. If you have not come across that video, please do well to subscribe so that you can be able to have access to our tutorials. So what you need to do is to go to annotation, click on annotation, then come down here, you will see multi-leader style. Click on it. Now for you to create a new one, let it be in a standard. Then you go ahead and click on new. Now I am going to change the name to civil. Now after changing your new style name, click on continue. Now it will bring you down here. This particular place is where you are going to set all that you are going to be using in your multi-leader style. So first of all, go to content. Don't change to block and do not change to none. Leave it in that text. So the next thing that you need to do is this is a text color. This is a text color. If you want to change this default text now, for instance, if you want to change your text color to any different color of yours, you can pick the color from here. As you can see, anyone that I click, it will automatically change. Okay, let's make use of green this time around. Let's leave it in green. So after setting your color, if you feel like, you can go ahead and change your text height. So I will change this text height to 6, or let me say 8. I will change it to 8. Then after this, you move down to leader format. In this leader format, this is where you can also equally change your color. If you want the arrow to carry a different color, you can change from here. If you don't want the arrow to carry any color, you can leave it in by layers. So the next thing that you need to do after changing your color, if you feel like, is to come down to size. In this particular size, I'm going to make use of 6. Then after that, you go ahead and click OK. Now before you close this particular area, make sure that that particular name of yours which you change is set on current, set current. Leave it in set current. Just go ahead and click on set current. Then after clicking on set current, you can now close. Now coming down here, let's see what we have done so far by coming up here to pick your leader. Click on leader. Then let me say 100. Click enter. So this is exactly what we did that place. Remember that we changed our color text, then we also increase the arrow size. So by so doing, this is what we have already achieved. So you can go ahead and click anywhere of your choice and type whatsoever or or whatever science you feel like that you want to do. So by so doing, I believe so we are able to know how to use our multi-leader to identify some parts of your job which you would like to identify. So without wasting much of our time, this is where we are going to wrap it up. So if you are coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. I post practical tutorial every week. Thank you and see you next. Bye.